SW Motorsport's heel plates. How do you fit them? So, get your heel plate, slot it down into the footwell of the car, and it will always only fit in one position. It's perfectly contoured to the car, so just make sure that around all the edges it's nice and tight. Grab yourself a Sharpie, mark up your holes. So there's two different ways to fit heel plates, with rivets or with riv nuts. With the heel plates we supply rivets, but sometimes being able to take the heel plate in and out of the car is ideal, so you can fit them with riv nuts as well. Today we're going to be showing how to fit them with rivets, but the process is exactly the same if you fit them with riv nuts. Once you've marked your holes, take the heel plate back out and centre punch the marked holes. This will mean that the heel plate will be exactly where you marked it up to be. Then get a 5mm drill bit and pass it through the marked holes. If you are riveting the heel plate into the car, this is the point where you want to make sure the clutch rest is definitely fitted before you rivet it in. So position it in, line up the pre-drilled holes, and offer your rivets up into position. We've got an air-powered riveter, but you can just as easily use a manual one. And there we go, all done. To shop our heel plate range, just visit swmotorsports.co.uk.